Sit right back, the time is now. Tammy's gonna show you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. Well, she makes it easy, she shows you tricks. Before too long, get all real quick, and the all-star of the kitchen will be you.
Hey y'all, it's Chris and Tammy with Collard Valley Cooks, and today we're making one of my friend's mom's recipe, and it's apple salad. She uses a lemon jello as the base, and that makes it nice and tart. So grab those apples and grab that lemon jello, and let's make something delish with some cream cheese too. Alrighty, so you're going to use a large can of crushed pineapple, and it is the 20-ounce one, and I got Dole because it tastes good. Juice it all goes on the stovetop. You're going to warm this up with a 1/3 cup of sugar and a pack of lemon jello. And this is a 3-ounce pack. So you're going to let this heat up until all that sugar's melted. It's going to be good. So just let it come to a nice simmer. You need to bring it to a boil and let it boil, I would say 2 or 3 minutes to make sure all that sugar melts. 3 minutes is a good number. So just set your timer on 3 minutes and let it sit here and boil, and then we're just going to pour it out and let it cool down. Okay, our timer ended, so we're just going to pick this up, and I'm going to pour it into a pie plate so that it'll cool quicker. And so you definitely want to wait until that's all the way cool. And really, I'll probably refrigerate it even for a little bit before you mix up your salad. So go ahead and get that done. Maybe even the night before if you want to. Apple salad. This is a good one, y'all. So I've got 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. And now we're going to take the pineapple jello mixture that we made. And it's cold because we chilled it in the refrigerator. You could do this the day before if you want to. And now we're going to mix it with 8 ounces of room temperature cream cheese. Jello and cream cheese. The jello is so cold that the cream cheese is not wanting to cream into it. You just turn it up. Now, if that pineapple had been at room temperature, the cream cheese would have gotten smoother in it. But for this salad, it shouldn't make any difference. And I actually think it's pretty this way. And it's going to taste good. All right? So what we're going to do now is so simple. We're going to add a few grapes to ours. You don't have to, but we just thought it would be pretty. So that's what we're doing. So we chopped up our apples and we put them in some lemon juice so that they wouldn't turn. We chopped those up earlier today. We've got some pecans, and I'm going to chop these a little bit more. They're not quite chopped good enough. Now, if you can't chew the nuts, don't put them in there. Or if you can't have them. So we got pecans chopped, and I'm going to put these grapes in there for color. And I'm going to half them because they're really big. If I half them, they're going to be more the size of the apples. They're really pretty grapes. Aren't they pretty? And there's no reason to buy a huge bag of grapes for this salad. So what I did, instead of buying 2 different bags of grapes and spending all that money, is I bought a pack of grapes that were already washed and ready. And And that way I didn't have to buy 2 whole bags of grapes, because me and Chris don't eat grapes that much. They're really the highest fruit in sugar, so I try to steer away from them. But now this is a very sweet salad, so if you wanted to cut some corners, you could use a sugar-free Jell-O and Splenda in the pineapple part, because there's a lot of fruit in here, and so it's already going to be a lot of sugar that's natural sugar. And now we're going to take, this is a large thing of Cool Whip, so I'm going to put about half of it. You're going to need about an 8-ounce container of Cool Whip, which is about half of that one. And now we're just going to fold it all up, and I need a bigger spoon, don't I? So now we're just going to fold it all up together. Boy, don't that look good? You could do this for St. Patrick's Day and use a lime Jell-O, and it'd be pretty. Now, I peeled my apples and chopped them so they don't have peelings on them. That's all there is to that salad. It's pretty. Boy, that's very pretty for Easter, y'all. It's a pretty color. All right, let me get me something to put it in. We're going to take some to the neighbors tonight, because there's so much of it. It looks pretty, don't it? That's plenty in that serving bowl. And then I got some more, so we're definitely sharing tonight. All right, we're going to give it a taste.
It's like potato salad almost, doesn't it?
Yeah. Now, I have not had this recipe for apple salad before. This is a friend of mine's mother's recipe. And so I'm going to give it a try. I do like Jell-O in salads more than I like pudding. I think they stay prettier longer. So I was happy to see that she used Jell-O. It's a lot like a Millionaire Pie, really. It's good because of the cream cheese, the pecans, the Cool Whip. Ah, it's good. You want to give it a try, Chris?
Sure.
All right. Chris is game tonight.
If I have to, I'll try.
He sure loved that banana thing we made the other day.
I hate to try it. I will. For everybody watching. This is zingy, isn't it?
Yeah, because of the lemon.
I like it.
It's good.
I like it better than most of those.
Yeah. It tastes a lot like Millionaire Pie to me. Mm. You don't think so?
No. I mean, because it's got all that...
well, it's got apples in it.
It's got all that citric acid. I mean, all the...
The lemon juice.
Yeah, all the...
We use lemon juice on the apple, so that's in there. Plus, you got the lemon Jell-O, so it's really tart and delicious. It's a good, refreshing salad for summertime, ain't it, Chris?
Yeah, tart. That's what I was looking
tart.
for.
Yeah.
That's what I like.
Yes, he likes it tart. So we'll share it with our neighbors, and I hope y'all have enjoyed watching now. We got a lot of apple salad. We'll see you next time on Collar Valley Cooks, where we cook like our mamas did. This is my friend's mom. Bye, y'all. Love ya.
Cooking time, it's over now. Tammy, she just showed you how to cook it up like Mama used to do. So go